The first duty of good government is the protection of its citizens, and I rise to highlight the government's unwavering commitment to keep Australians safe. There are currently over 250 Australians fighting with or supporting terrorists overseas, and as we know that these terrorists, trained by groups like ISIS, also seek to do us harm here in Australia. This is of great concern to local communities, including mine in Deakin. So I'm very proud to be part of a government that is acting decisively by introducing legislation this week to remove the citizenship of dual nationals who fight with or support terrorist organisations. Our message to these people is if you leave Australia to murder, rape and terrorise others, we don't want you back. And if you're a dual national, we won't let you back. But where's Labor in all of this? Well, the Leader of the Opposition calls it dog whistling, and the Shadow Attorney-General, when asked what he would do with those dual nationals who partake in acts of terror, said we'd get them back here. So where does Labor really stand? The reality is we don't know, and I suspect that many members of the Labor Party don't know themselves. But I can say, and I can assure my electorate of Deakin, the Coalition will always stand up and deliver the first duty of government, and that's to keep our country and our people safe.